Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about counters, and the secret behind counters is a timing chart. Again, this is similar to what we did with timers, but in the counting chart we actually have slightly different. So here you'll see I set value of 3. So that's what we call my preset number, or SV, which means set value. And the count value counts from 1 to 2 to 3. And so I have my input signal timing, and the counter increases by 1 with each count. And my input signal is right here. You can see the increment here shows the display as 1. The output signal is 0. So at the second count, again, the out display is 2. Then after the third count, which is set, or the set value, or preset value, is reached, the counter then outputs. So if we look at this Omron counter, it's an H7CX. You'll see that on the screen itself I have my preset value, or present value, which is 2, and my set value, or preset value, which is 3. And this counter also has batch counters, which counts the number of times the preset has been reached. So looking at the PLC, what we have here is up counter and a down counter, and I've used the same input X0 for both the up and down. I've used the same reset X1 for the reset for both of these counters. A reset for counter 0 and counter 1. And the set value, or preset value, it comes from D0, and D0 is actually the value 3. So on the up counter, if with nothing happening so far, our accumulated value, or our present value, is 0, and our accumulated value for our down counter is at 3. So the down counter is going to go from 3 to 0, then fire the output. The up counter will go from 0 to 3 to fire the output. And on my first counter, I have Y0 is going to be firing on, and on counter 1 it will be Y1. So what we'll do is I'm just going to call up the simulator, and I'm just going to put this off screen a little bit so you can actually see the toggle. And I'm just going to toggle X0 on and then off. First of all, we'll put that in run mode. There we go. So now the program's running, and fire it off once. You'll see the present value of counter 1 is now 1, and on the down counter it's 2. Turn it off, fire again, now 2 and 1, and finally the third time you'll see the outputs come on, and on my first counter it's now 3, the bottom count is 0. Now these counters are memory retentive, so when I turn off power and turn it back on, the counter is still there. So in order to do that, I need my first scan flag to do the reset if I don't want the memory retentive, but generally you do. And then when I hit my reset, which is X1, you'll see the counter then resets, the output done bit will go off, and the outputs then in turn go off. Thanks for watching.